Hello guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-cheat sa manok na pula. So yan, nakahanda na talaga 100% work on all device. On all device guys, 100% talaga na work ito. So punta tayo sa Chrome or Google nyo. So yun lang ako dahil maraming ads sa Google parang pero mas kabisado ko na to talaga yung itong Chrome. So let's search, walang paligoy-ligoy. Manok na pula mood epic 2023 and scroll down again. Wait, scroll down and you gonna see that purple. Ito guys, ito, so purple yan, pero hindi yan purple, basta ito. Search mo lang to at mag-scroll down ka, kita mo na to. So V2 ang request ko sa iyo, mode menu, elect everything. Dito sa V3 ay not, basta dito ka lang, no cost upgrade. So yan, maraming features dito sa B2 B1. Okay, so download nyo lang to guys, download na lang to. So okay, download nyo lang yan. So pag dito, dapat ang pangalan nito ay ito, Moods Mania. So dapat i-download nyo lang yan. So this, and you won't gonna see anything. So V2 diba yung kuhanin natin? So ito B2. So just download it, you won't gonna see anything, and just come to this downloads and just wait until this manok na pula and this is, and you see that is so basic. Just see that is a good and just it. So if you have a data, you had a, I'm lagging right now, so okay. Using Wi-Fi now, cause if you have Wi-Fi and you enter it, you just delay time. That just see showcase. Okay, showcase. Loading. Loading.